Okay, so Amazon reselling is like anything, 'di ba nung elementary tayo, ako based on my experience, talagang sales girl na ako, salesman, sales girl na. Bibili ako ng candy sa palengke, bibili ko yung candy yon, tapos dadalhin ko sa school, ibebenta ko ng mas mataas na may markup. Yun yung reselling, di ba, no? Bibili ako ng mga snacks sa palengke, dadalhin ko doon, i-offer ko sa mga classmate ko, may kikitain akong 50 cents, di ba? Ganon yung reselling din ni Amazon. Okay? It's buying and selling physical products with a profit. Okay? So, same thing ang pinaka-idea ni Amazon. Maghahanap ka ng produkto kung saan yung supplier or kung sino yung nagbebenta with the low-cost item and dadalhin mo kay Amazon para ibenta. Okay? So, but more of that, ang pinaka-role mo lang, okay, pinaka-role mo is maghahanap ka lang ng produkto. It's up to you. Hindi si Amazon ang magdi-dictate. Hindi si Amazon ang magsasabi na, okay, Rowena or Elena or Ron, ang nakikita ko sa top of the may screen, sasabihin, ito, Rowena, ito lang ang pwede mong ibenta ha, dito ka lang sa lotion and shampoo. It's up to you. You can choose whatever you wanna buy and sell. Kung gusto mong mag-focus sa beauty products, sa mga lipsticks, sa mga foundation, sa mga mascara, then you can do that. But then again, it won't limit you to try other different products or categories. Yun ang magiging reseller. Okay, the rest, yung pagpe-prepare ng products, pag-handle ng inventory mo, pag-storage, kung kailangan mo ng storage, kasi kunyari, meron kang biniling 100 units, sila muna yung mag-hold ng inventory mo up until may mabenta. Okay? Hindi naman kaagad pag pinadala mo 100 units, benta kaagad yan kaagad-agad. Siyempre, pa isa-isang customer or 10 muna. Pero within a week or so, may mga students kami, I can show it to you towards the end, na na-sold out yung items niya for a week. So, more of the testimonials later. But then again, they would hold your inventory and pag may umorder, is si Amazon din ang mag-ship out ng products for you. Okay? And kung merong customer complaints or issues, si Amazon din ang magsusulat sa kanila. Okay? More of that, ito yung sinasabi ko earlier. Okay? Si Amazon ang mag-ship. They have the fastest and cheaper options for shipping. Dito kasi sa US, once na Prime member ka, once you're a Prime member or subscribe as an Amazon client or customer, wala kaming binabayarang shipping. Okay? Wala kaming binabayaran. Ang binabayaran namin is subscription for the year. The last time I've checked is $120 per year para maging Amazon Prime ka. Libre yung mga videos, mga movies, mga songs, para may playlist sila, and libre lahat ng shipping if you order anything from Amazon, regardless of the quantity. Kung gusto mong isalin na yung kapitbahay mo, pwede. Gusto mong umorder ng 100 different products, libre yung shipping, regardless of how many units. So, ganun siya, kasimple lang na parang okay, mas madali, mas straightforward, mas cheaper, okay? And si Amazon din ang magpipick, pack, and ship on your behalf. Siya na, may umorder na 10 customers, siya na yung magpapadala. Siya yung mag-ship out regardless of the location. Kung sa Florida manggagaling yung item mo, may umorder sa California, sila na magpapadala. Tapos, yung sinasabi ko na pag may nag-complain na customer, bakit late, bakit damage, bakit open, hindi ko to type, hindi ko feel, gusto kong isole, lahat yon si Amazon ang magha-handle nun. Okay? Next is yung storage on your behalf. You don't have to worry about baka wala akong andyan warehouse. Paano ako makakabenta? Amazon made it easy by partnering with them and becoming an Amazon seller. Ito yung pinaka-gist ng sabi ko 'di ba kanina, sabi ko pwedeng-pwede ka na maging Amazon seller right now as long as you have all the requirements. So, sino dito, isa-isahin natin ha, sino sa inyo ang may email address na existing? Hindi kailangan ng ano ha, professional, kahit yahoo.com yan or hindi mo kailangan mag-create ng bago. Okay? Kahit, kunyari, love123 at yahoo.com. Okay? Yung mga existing na. Sino dito ang may mobile phone number na Philippines? You don't have to have an international or Skype number. Okay? Sino dito ang may mga phone? Lahat naman. Sino kaya ang taong wala pang phone ngayon? Yun yata yung tanong ko. Sino yung wala pang phone? Kahit mama ko, meron phone. Dati 'di ba no, para limited lang. So sino sa inyo ang may credit card or debit card? You don't have to have a credit card. Pwede, tsaka hindi mo kailangan nakapangalan sa yung credit card. Okay? Kahit sa asawa mo nakapangalan or sa mama mo or sa papa mo or sa kapatid mo. Kapatid ko nga nagbo-book ng travel ano niya sa akin. But anyway, nung nag-start kami, ang account namin nung asawa ko is under sa kanya yung account ng Amazon, pero credit card ko kasi ako yung nagma-manage ng sales. It doesn't really matter. Hindi mo kailangan na dapat nandito yung pangalan ni Rowena Aguilar. You don't have to have a credit card of your own, okay? Tapos sino dito ang may passport or driver's license? Isa sa dalawa. Either passport or driver's license. Credit card, okay, yeah. Capital One credit card, yeah. As long as it's Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, anything na international, passport or okay. Sino dito ang merong bangko? Ganun din ha, hindi kailangan na sa'yo yung pangalan ng bangko. Okay lang yon, okay? Okay, okay. Lahat naman pala. Okay. Sino dito ang may utility bill? Okay? Hindi rin kailangan na nakapangalan sa'yo as long as, kunyari, nakatira ka sa mom mo or sa dad. Tapos yung ilaw, tubig, anong tawag doon? Internet, or any of the three, nakapangalan sa kanila, you just have to justify kung ano yung relationship mo doon sa nakapangalan doon. Walang masyadong problema yon sa kay Amazon. Okay? And more of that, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng website, your own website. Ito yung itsura ng account mo. Nakikita nyo? Solutions by Staples. Yan yung magiging itsura ng account nyo, storefront account nyo kay Amazon. Di ba? Nakaka-proud. Pero ikaw ang magsasabi, ikaw ang mag-create ng business name nyo. Okay, sabihin natin, Merchandise by Ava or Sari Sari Store. LLC, hindi kailangan LLC. Okay, sari-sari store, whatever you can think of na business name mo yon, okay? Hindi mo rin kailangan i-register somewhere, okay? Dito sa pinag-uusapan natin, ha? So, may naisip na ba kayo na on top of your mind, ito yung magiging storefront ko, okay? Ito yung magiging pangalan ng negosyo ko. Ito yung magiging pangalan ng account ko kay Amazon, okay? Bakit kailangan ng bank statement? Para doon sa payment nyo. Para makita ni Amazon na ito yung account number ko sa bangko, dito mo i-disburse or bibigyan mo ko ng payment sa mga nabenta. Okay? Sige. Proceed muna ako ha. What products are in high demand? Of course, we are just gonna be looking for products na high demand, mataas ang benta every month, popular brands, at existing na kay Amazon. Hindi tayo magbebenta ng mga produkto na wala sa listing ni Amazon. Okay? Tama ang narinig nyo ha. Hindi pwede tayong magbenta. Mahirap. Pwede, pero mahirap. We are just gonna be looking for products na existing na kay Amazon. Kung andyan na yung barley Australia, marami kaming students ang dami talaga na nagtatanong, andyan na po ba yung barley, ganyan-ganyan. So, whatever Amazon's portfolio or catalog of products, doon lang tayo maghahanap ng ibebenta. Pag nakita nyo andyan na si barley, then hahanapin natin kung sino yung supplier ng barley para ibenta yon the same listing. Okay? Ano pa ba? Kung andyan na si Mang Tomas na sauce, okay, meron, good. Andyan na rin si Nagaraya, andyan na rin yung bagoong, di ba? Andyan, marami ng Filipino products, you're gonna be surprised. But then again, we're more focused on sourcing or looking for your products in the US para hindi na kayo magbayad ng shipment from the Philippines or from Jeddah or from Singapore. Okay? But then again, it should not limit you. But our main focus is sourcing products from the US kasi andito na yon, andito si Amazon. Okay? Yung sinabi ko, nandyan na dapat, and ito na yung pinaka-idea. Okay, nakikita yung illustration. Andito yung illustration na sa screen ko. This is how Amazon works. Nasa gitna ka. Okay, nasa gitna ka. If you're an Amazon seller, maghahanap ka ng produkto coming from suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, at ipapadala mo, again, nasa gitna ka, kukunin mo yung produkto, okay? Dadala mo kay Amazon. Ang tanong dyan, paano, sasabihin nyo, paano ko mahahawakan yung products? Wala nga ako sa US. Nandito ako sa Philippines or andito ako sa Singapore. Paano ako makakabili ng produkto at saka hindi ko naman hindi ko mahawakan yung physical products ko. How is it possible? Okay, again, as I've said, this is purely online and this is online arbitrage. That's why it's online arbitrage. And this is become possible because, of course, of a prep center, of a warehouse. I'm gonna be talking more about it later. But then again, ang pinaka gusto kong i-emphasize is this is all online. You are in the middle. And what we're looking for is products that are low in price, very, very low in price, and selling it to Amazon with a profit. Okay? Ano yung mga produkto na pwede namin ibenta? Ano yung mga produkto na mabilis mabenta? Ano yung mga popular brands? Ano yung mga, bigyan nyo kami na example. Okay? Ito yung mga example. Yung mga pwedeng ibenta is, nakikita nyo, meron dyan Lululemon, may Quaker Oats, may Nike, may Puritan's Pride. I don't know this one. Kung ano yung nandiyan na logo. But then, more of what I have mentioned, kunyari gusto nyong Clinique products, Revlon, or gusto nyong magbenta ng Lego, okay? Or Adidas, okay? Things like that na mabilis alam na ng consumers na yun yung binibili nila and popular na sa market and hindi na kailangang i-introduce para bumenta. Hindi mo kailangan ng live selling, okay? And ano ba yung mga items, okay? Ano ba yung mga items na nabebenta or sa ano yung mga suppliers, okay? Nakita nyo sa screen, Walmart, Home Depot, Kohl's, Walgreens, these are big companies na we can get our products from. Again, merong cross out dyan si Alibaba, okay? Okay, Glow Share pala, yung G na pink, Glow Share, okay, thank you. Yung Alibaba, hindi tayo mag-source ng products kay Alibaba, okay? Kasi marami ring question na, Alibaba po ba to? Or dropshipping po ba to? Or pwede ba akong mag-contact ng mga Chinese suppliers ko para ibenta kay Amazon? The answer is no. We're gonna be just looking for products inside the US, and eventually, if you have products from the Philippines or anywhere except Alibaba, kasi those are not the business model that we're gonna be looking for right now, okay? Kasi si Alibaba, it's more private label and it's not online arbitrage. Okay, since you buy from online retailers and send the products to Amazon to sell, you don't need to get your own space kasi sila ang mag-warehouse ng produkto mo. No need to buy too many units at once, okay? Hindi mo kailangan ng maramihan para makapagsimula, okay? Kung gusto mong isang pirasong lipstick, isang pirasong lotion, isang pirasong mascara, isang pirasong pantalon, isang piraso, hindi nga dapat apparel. You gonna realize that later, no? Hindi di-discourage namin mga clothes to sell. Or gusto nyo nakikita ko lang, isang shades, or gusto nyo isa-isang piraso, then that's okay. Okay, walang minimum requirement sa Amazon. Yan ang kagandahan, and you're gonna be excited about the whole business model of Amazon, na ganun lang siya ka-straightforward. And existing products not needing too many resources to start or acquire, low cost and straightforward. Ito yung sabi nga, very simple, very, very simple. Okay? Malalaman natin kung magkano yung pwede nating simulan na ideally, pero hindi mandatory. Okay? How can you send the products you ordered to Amazon? Ito yung tanong ko kanina na andyan nga ako sa Philippines, hindi ako nasa US. Paano ako makakabenta kay Amazon? Hindi nga, wala nga ako dyan, di ba? Kulit, no? So, it becomes possible because of a warehouse or slash, okay, prep center. How many of you are familiar of a prep center or a 3PL? Sige nga, tingnan ko lang sa survey. Okay, sino yung naging familiar na sa prep center? Or, ang tanong ko, sige, rephrase ko. Ang tanong ko, sino sa inyo dito ang mga virtual assistants ng Amazon client? Kasi sila yung nakakarinig na ng prep center. Si Peter and, okay, si Aileen. Thank you, Aileen, for messaging. Okay, no idea. Okay. Si Fulfillment Center, okay, si Kenneth, and mga VA siguro, okay, 3PL, third-party logistics, very good. Okay. So, ang 3PL is a warehouse, okay? Third-party logistics that handles everything from picking, packing, receiving, and shipping, okay? So, that's okay, Marisa. Okay lang yan. Majority of you are newbie, and I appreciate you being here. And of course, listening to what I'm discussing. Okay lang yon. Very good. And mas maraming newbie nga eh. So I'm excited na parang maraming beginners na I'm excited to share ito para mas marami tayong alam din, 'di ba? No, parang ako din nung nagse-start, I didn't know anything. So anyway, yung prep center is third-party logistics na handles all of your inventory, na kaya possible na kahit wala ka dito sa US, meron lang prep center na magha-handle ng inventory mo. Kunyari, umorder ka sa supplier mo, 10 units of lipstick. Papadala mo kay prep center. Ang role ni prep center is siya ang magbabalot, magre-receive muna, i-inspect. Yan yung pinakaunang proseso ng prep center. Kunyari may pinadala kang 10 bagoong or ano ba yun, yung kamayan yata yun, or may pinadala kang Lily's peanut butter from the Philippines, prep center mag-handle, okay? Just to give you an idea, i-receive ni prep center sa warehouse niya. Okay, sabihin niya, okay, ito Rowena or Girly or Ron, na-receive ko na yung 10 piraso ng Lily's peanut butter, i-inspect ko na siya, titingnan ko kung may damage, titingnan ko kung tama ba tong produkto na to, tama ba yung ounce nito, ito 10 grams, tama, yung kulay, tama, yung description, tama, walang damage, tsaka hindi siya expired. Okay, yan part of the process. Tapos, ipiprep na natin base kung ano yung gusto ni Amazon i-prep. Sabi ni Amazon, bottle yan, kailangan mo i-bubble wrap. Tapos, lagyan mo ng Amazon barcode at ipadala sa akin. Para pagdating kay Amazon, ready na siya, ipapadala na everything, storage, papadala na niya kay customer. Kailangan lang is yung barcode and then how it's prepped. But then again, you don't have to have a prep center. You can ship it directly to Amazon. Kaya lahat na ng work is to Amazon. Pwede yon. But then again, starting January 1st of 2026, they would not do that now. You would need a prep center regardless. And for full disclosure, I have a prep center. Okay? Kaya I'm the person that you can ask, di ba? Kasi during the time of pandemic, anong year yon? During the time of pandemic, I was selling a lot of goods, di ba? Products, ano yung mga binibenta ko nung pandemic? Vitamin C, Arena, yung mga nagbe-bake. Ano pa ba yun? Marami, nako, ang dami ko, kung share ko yung picture, pero sa isang presentation ko, may picture ako nun kung ano-ano mga produkto. So, during the pandemic, I have the opportunity to open a prep center of my own. Kaya tinutulungan ko rin yung mga Amazon sellers like you na magbenta kay Amazon. So, ang kliyente namin is everyone's Amazon sellers. So, and then majority of my employees are Filipinos. So, as you would imagine, kung meron kung ikaw ay isang nagbebenta and nakipag-tie up ka kay prep center, pwede kang makipag-communicate using, of course, Tagalog or whatever, and it's easy to deal with, di ba, no? So, yon. So, ganun. Tapos may isa kaming few virtual assistants na nagtumutulong na nandyan sa Philippines for the prep center. So, it will be easier for you as well for customer service. Ito yung warehouse ko. Okay? At yan ang warehouse ko. Nasa pinakababa. It's a 5,000 square footage of a storage space. And ayan, nakikita nyo, marami kaming mga Amazon boxes. And meron din akong mga kliyente na gumagawa ng private label, which is nagsusource sila ng mga products sa China. Private label yun ang pinag-usapan natin, online arbitrage. So, nakikita nyo, marami kaming boxes at mga produkto coming from different parts of the world. And yan yung mga workers namin. And then the tasks handled by a prep center, which I have mentioned earlier. And ang pinaka-importante dito na gusto ko rin na i-share, ang pinaka-importante of the major role of a prep center and why you want to partner up with them is the returns. Makikita mo, returns processing. Paano kung may customer ka na bumili and then for some reason, they wanna return it. Okay? And again, returns are normal part of the whole online business selling. 'Di ba? Kahit nagnenegosyo ka kay Shopee or Lazada, baka sa Philippines hindi kasi hindi ko na naabutan ng Shopee tsaka Lazada. May mga returns din ba or eligible ba sila sa returns or nung nandiyan ako, 'di ba, nung bumibili ako sa tindahan, talagang no return, no exchange, 'di ba, sa Philippines. I don't know right now with Shopee and Lazada. Okay? So dito sa US, pag anything that you have bought from anywhere, kahit sa Walmart, pwede kang mag-return without questions. Yan ang part of the whole customer service dito. So, ikaw, may ganun ding risk sa business na to. As much as ang daming opportunity, masyadong mataas ang traffic, masyadong marami kang benta, returns can happen. So, ang ginagawa ni Prep Center is, i-receive yung return mo, you have so many options what you wanna do with your return. Kung gusto mong ipabalik kay Amazon, kung pwede pa siya in sellable condition, if it has been opened or damaged or whatever reason, Amazon can pay you for that kung kasalanan nila yung damage. But then, if something happened na out of our control, na damage, pwede na ibalik sa'yo as a customer or as a client papuntang Philippines, nagbabalik bayan boxes din kami. Or we can list it on other marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. There's so many. We can resell it into other different platforms, okay?
Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned from the videos. And if you want to learn more about the Amazon business, do not forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can enjoy more videos from us. And if you have any questions, our number is on the screen for WhatsApp and Viber. Again, this is Coach Ava Flores from Dollar Profit Mastery, your online Kabiz partner, along with Amaze Nation. We lead you to extraordinary living by providing life-changing learning.